Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. For that we will have three ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and we're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit the screenshot or you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. One more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and we're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the editing symbol, you have also the chance to draw something inside here or to highlight something. Or pretty nice as well, you can crop a part of the screenshot, which is very useful if you want to capture a picture from websites and so on. After you can share this edited part here, or with the arrow, you will send it directly to your gallery. There's a second way to capture a picture from websites and so on. And for that, you can use AI. Just swipe out here the sidebar like that. Go on AI select. Then just tap on the picture you want to have. And it's automatically selected. After you can share this picture here directly or with the arrow, you will send it immediately to your gallery. But the coolest way to have a screenshot is with the edge of your palm. So just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. One more time, take the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. And where to find the screenshots after? Of course, you have the gallery. And here the pictures, they are mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with your camera. So this is why I always recommend to you to go to the albums, because the screenshots will have here their own folder only for your screenshots. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos with much more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support and maybe until next time. Ciao.